Guys, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Don Cut. Now I got a new video on how to do a taper fade. Let's jump into the video, guys. Now guys, we take our trimmer to buzz the other side gently, guys. We know how we do it, gently. After that, we go over to our clipper, we open the level, as you can see. Now we take out some hair down over there, gently. After that, we close a little bit to remove the line up, guys. Gently, guys. After that, we go over to the step 3 guide, guys. Step 3 guide to maneuver the hair. Here is where I see most beginner barber makes mistakes. They rush this part. This part is a fading part, and we need to take it gently, guys, to get a perfect fade for this cut. After that, we go over to the step 1 guide, which is the most important. We also take down the lower hair, as you can see in this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And remember, when you're fading the hair, you need to have your brush to brush your hair. It is very important, guys, to make your taper look nice and cool. Now after that, we go over to the step 1. Again, to maneuver the hair, check it out whether it is clean. Now after that, we brush as we fade, we brush the head. As we fade, we brush the head. Now guys, we go over to the back, guys. We use your trimmer, as you can see. We take it down gently at the back, guys. After that, we take down the down hair, as you can see. We make it very clean, guys. And after that, we open level on how we do that. The first one, we take it off. After that, we close it up a little bit to remove the lines, as you can see, guys. Gently, guys. You make sure that the line is cleared. After that, after making sure that the line is cleared up, guys, then we move over to the fading part. We take our step 3.1 guide to maneuver it, as you can see, guys. From down to up, as you can see, we comb the hair to make sure that the fading looks nice and cool. Then we take it up gently, as you can see in this video, guys. Just follow the footsteps, guys. You get exactly as my result. Yes, I promise you that, guys. Then after that, we go over to the step 3. We also do the same gently. Remember, we are picking the step from upper rank to the lower rank. We go from 4 to 3, from 3 to 1. That's how we do it in the taper fade, guys, on my own strategy. You make sure you do it gently. Take your time for your barbing to look nice. Then after that, we take the step 1 guide. As you can see, we maneuver it again, little by little, guys. Now, as you can see, the taper is aligning just bit by bit, guys. We cross check the line. As you can see, we cross check the fading again before you go over to the carving. Make sure that your fading looks very nice. Also, don't remember to use your brush while making a taper fade just like this. And if you want it to look very neat like this, as you're fading, please have your brushes intact. Now, after that, we go over to the lining of the hair. As you can see, take it gently, guys. Now I use my trimmer for it, and also you can use a baby powder, a powder, you can use it. So when you have to make mistake, you can clean it. Then whenever you are done with the powder, then you can use your blade to trace the line up, making it creepy. We do it over to the other side, just like that. Now, guys, after we are done, we go over to the other side with your trimmer. You remove it just close above to the ear, guys. That is the hair that you are going to remove. Now you take your clipper, you open level, you maneuver some hair, as you can see, gently, guys. Now after that, we check out the line also, as we did to the other side, guys. We remove the line before we can go over to our step. Now after that, you now take our step here. As I can tell you, this is a step 3. Also, make it gently. As you can see, we are going side by side, as you can see also. After that, we take our step 1 also. We make the same movements, as you can see. And guys, remember, the fading at the back and at the front hair is totally different, so you can watch this video to understand it properly. And I'm sure you will learn something from my video. And don't forget to still subscribe to my channel, guys. It helps my channel a lot. Please watch the full video, share, comment, guys. Now after that, we go over to the shape up. As you can see, we do here. As I tell you, you can also use your powder to shape your hair. It also helps. After we are done with that, we go over to the other side. Also, we make the same movements gently. We make the, please, if you don't understand how to shape hair, you have to go back to my channel. We have a method of making our hairlines crispier, and I already made a video about the ABC method. Guys, go back to my channel, subscribe, and go and watch further videos just like this. Carving is one of the hardest parts in barbing, and you need to take your time to learn how to carve a client's hair. Yeah guys, there is me there. This is my face. Now as we are done with it, we go over gently and making sure that the line is crispy and good. Before we can head over to the enhancement of the hair. And guys, there is a product I use the fiber product. You first spray the water for the fiber before you can merge the fiber on the hair, and before that I already apply black dye on the hair before I use the fiber, because this two combo hair helps the enhancement to last longer. You still have to go back to my channel and learn how to use a dye to enhance client hair. After that, we can now use our razor blade to make the hair nice, to shape up the hair. We can now use our razor blade to shape up the hair. And when you're using the razor blade, you have to draw the skin a little bit, as you can see. Using my other palm to draw the skin, and gently using the blade to my client's shape up. After that, we also use at the back. After that, then this is my client's forehead, guys. The hair is looking so nice and good. Wow. This is a full haircut, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for other videos like this. Subscribe, guys. Bye. See you in the next video, guys.